Hello and welcome to our unboxing of the Lovevery Play Kit, the Storyteller. It's specially designed for ages 40 to 42 months. It includes a lot of inspiring toys that your little one will love playing with and keep them engaged, while practicing a wide variety of skills. As a pediatric speech therapist, I'm sharing some activity ideas to help your child develop his or her speech and language skills. As your child nears the 3.5-year mark, we would be seeing improved speech intelligibility, meaning clarity in their speech and being more understood with not only familiar listeners, but with unfamiliar listeners too. They will be becoming more accurate with most speech sounds, but would continue to produce errors with later developing sounds. Examples include the L, R, S, Y, V, Z, Sh, Ch, and F sounds. Regarding language for a younger 3, we are seeing that they are starting to understand multi-step directions better, so steps that include 2 or more steps. They're able to begin telling simple stories, engage in simple turn-taking conversation with you, understand and use emotion words, understand and use simple conjunctions such as because, and, or, if. We are also seeing that they are able to use longer sentences of 3 to 4 words and increase on their mean length of utterance. Right, we're gonna open up this box, Lena. We got some new gifts from Lovevery. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. First, let's share how old you are. How old are you, Lena?
2.
You are 2, and you're going to be turning 3 in a couple months.
Yeah.
Soon. Well, today our box is called the Storyteller. It's for ages 40 to 42 months, so it's for a younger 3 child. But I think Lena is ready because she's so excited about storytelling and making stories. So we're going to open it up. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's open. Whoa! Wow, let's see what's inside.
This one.
So we've got here the letter sounds animal puzzle. Ooh, it's going to talk about so many different letters. Is there a letter you know, Lena?
Yeah, it's
Mm-hmm. Yeah, actually you've known all the letters since 21 months, but I think this can still be a lot of fun. This puzzle will help build early literacy skills with the 26 letters and word sounds. It provides the opportunity to practice producing many developmentally appropriate speech sounds. Keep in mind that there are some later developing sounds that your child is expected to not have mastered yet, such as the sounds for L, R, S, Y, V, and Z. You can work on activities like labeling the different animals, identifying the first sound of the word, and matching the letter symbol to the sound and vice versa. If your child is already recognizing symbols, or if they are not, you can show them as if they're working on getting more familiar with symbols, more comfortable with letter symbols, and they already know a couple, you can give choices like, do you want k, 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 or b, b, b? What does this one say?
B.
Yeah. Which one goes with b, b, b?
I don't know.
Oh, is b, b for vulture or butterfly?
Butterfly.
Butterfly, yeah, I see a butterfly on the board.
What's it?
You found the butterfly. Yep, B goes on the butterfly.
Duh.
对，这是的的的. Yep, Lena said this is da da da. Now let's see. Oh, let's find another letter. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, here is.
Oh. This.
What did you find? Yep, it's that.
F.
It looks like an F if you turn it that way, right? But it's this way. What's this letter?
T.
T for t, t, t. Lena got right to enjoying the book. The Adela Comes Home book explores the meaning of home, and it opens up the discussion about culture and family traditions. Some speech and language activities you can do around that include comprehension skills, like answering a variety of WH questions, and you can give 2 choices as support if needed. For example, you can ask your child, "Where did Adela go? To a cave or lake?" You can talk about vocabulary and meanings of any unfamiliar and novel terms, describe the pictures using adjectives and rich vocabulary, and connect to personal experience by reflecting on something similar that your child has in his or her life. For instance, Adela feels excited about going on a ride in the canoe. What's an activity that makes you feel excited? What is that? Those are eyes. Do you see the eyes?
That's why I see this one.
Oh, that one? It looks like tears. Oh, 眼泪, tears. What is he doing?
I'm crying.
Crying. You see the tears going down his face. These puppets are great for exploring emotions through play, developing conversation skills, understanding and using emotion words, and practicing role-playing situations with turn-taking conversation. So using these puppets, you can role-play a real-life scenario, an event from a familiar storybook that your little one loves, or even a hypothetical situation. This would give you the opportunity to work on so many language skills like dialogue between characters, talking about emotion words in context, using descriptive language, and working on some problem solving and perspective taking skills. Remember that you are modeling language, so use a rich vocabulary and correct grammar for your little one when you can. How is he feeling?
Happy.
Yeah, look at those happy eyes, feeling happy. Let's look at some more eyes here.
What's that?
There are some eyes here that look sad. Where are the sad eyes? Yeah, those are sad eyes. We're going to put them on the eye patch area. Right over here. Can I put it on or do you want to try? There you go. Look. This puppet is
Sad.
sad.
Are you okay? I give you a binky.
You're going to give me a binky? Now I'm no longer sad. I'm feeling
Calm.
Yeah, you're right. Calm. I'm calm with my binky. Thanks for the binky, Lena.
You're okay.
Ooh, I love the tickles. I'm feeling very happy from the fun tickles you gave me. I see one that looks worried. Worried means 担心，有一点担心。
She wants to calm.
Oh yeah, if you're feeling worried, we want to try and feel calm instead, right?
I want this one. Calm.
You like the calm face. These are really great because as your child is becoming more well-versed with socially interacting with others, we want to help them get to identify nonverbal cues in others. And a great place to start off with that are facial expressions. So as you can see, these eyes show a lot of emotion, and you can talk about the way the eyebrows are shaped or the way the eyes look and some other visual cues to show an emotion. For instance,
Can we have it calm binky?
Can you have a what binky?
Calm.
A calm binky? A calm down binky?
Yes.
Sure. Here's a calm down binky for you to suck on. Oh.
Really?
We can talk about how the eyebrows lower if we're feeling worried about something. Ooh, how your eyes might narrow if you're feeling angry.
I want angry.
You want the angry one?
Yeah.
Where's the angry one?
Right here.
Yeah.
This one's angry.
You know what? These both look kind of angry to me too.
This one's angry.
You want to try it? A lot of opportunities for pretend play here, and as you can see, a lot of built-in practice for conversation.
I'm angry.
With 2 different puppets, not just one, you can work on practice social skills and practice role plays between each other. We can talk about a scenario, maybe something that happened in real life with your little one. Bring up a social problem. Talk about how others might be thinking or feeling in that situation.
She's calm.
He's calm now. Oh, nice and calm. So this is a great chance for us to start working on... Wait, I'm going to give you a kiss. Working on some of those social thinking skills, like talking about how others in this situation might be feeling if we do certain actions or say certain things. Talking about consequences of actions or potential like natural reactions to what our little one does or says to others can help them with understanding that cause and effect better and help them become more aware of their own actions and speech. The Squeeze and Spray Mop is a really fun one. It's just the right size for your little one's hands and height. What you can do is talk through the problem solving and thinking process as you enlist your child's help in building the 3-piece mop. You can take a look at the finished photo reference in the booklet and show your little one and ask where the different pieces go. As always, model language skills with a rich vocabulary and correct grammar for your little one. You can work on self-advocacy skills as well, teaching your little one how to request for help when they need and talking about what they might need, like if they run out of water. The 4th set encourages creativity and pretend play while building language skills. You can let your child take the lead on imaginative play here, roll with it, and add in some additional modeling for language like dialogue that would happen between pretend play characters. Talk about emotion words, use descriptive language, and highlight any problem-solving skills, talking out your thinking process as you work through a problem. Was this box fun, Lena?
Yeah.